Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a demo and toy reveal from out of this Toy Story Surprise Bath Bomb by Ambience by Sarah. This bath bomb is scented in Sour Lollies, which is a scent that is described as sweet and zingy, with top notes of lemon and lime, middle notes of pineapple and raspberry, as well as base notes of vanilla and sugar syrup. So now without further ado, let's just get right on with the demo. Alright guys, so far I found a hat. Now we just have to go ahead and find the actual ushi. There is just a little bit of bath bomb left here. Oh, okay, I found something. Oh, so we've got Jessie. That's pretty cool considering the last time I did one of these bath bombs. Don't have a video for that as I ruined the recording. But the last time we got Woody, so now we have Woody and Jessie. So that is really, really cute. So anyway, guys, if you are enjoying my content, please do remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys!